everybody, today I am going to be reviewing the one of the most popular robot vacuums in Walmart. You know Walmart, it's a pretty popular place now. But I'm going to be reviewing one of the most popular ones in Walmart. And that is the Ionvac 2000. And the reason it has the name 2000 in it is because it's got 2,000 pascals of suction. And this robot does a very good job with its 2,000 pascals, whatever thingy. And everybody, this vacuum weighs 7.8 pounds. That's as much as an Oric right now. That's what we're going at. That's as much as an Oric. And it's got 4 cleaning modes. It's got a start clean, a random mode, a wall follow probably, and a circle mode. It'll go in circles. And this is 62 decibels. It's not very loud at all. It has 8,000 reviews on Walmart, and it also has a 4.4 stars on Walmart. It has a 600 milliliter dustbin. It also has 100 minutes of cleaning time to just run around your house and do everything it wants. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, and some people are having trouble with it because they're using 5 gigahertz instead of 2.4 gigahertz that you need to use. So that's basically all the stuff that you need to know about the Ionvac 2000. It's a great robot, as you can see. All those, you've got the brush, you've got the wheel, got the side brush, got the other side brush. That's cool. When I spin one side brush, the other one spins. And it's also got the caster wheel, the battery, and everything else you need. Then you can also turn it off with this on and off switch. And don't get confused when you first get your robot on this. When you're setting up your robot and when you start telling it to clean and if it doesn't work, you're going to want to flip that switch to on and you want to hear that sound, because I got tripped up on that too when I started trying to do that. But now that it works, we're going to start it at dock and we will start cleaning. It also has a remote that can come with it that we don't have, so we're going to put down some paper and we'll be back in 3 seconds. Alright guys, we are back. We got all the mess. Let's start the robot. Alright, so we're basically done. And one funny thing about this robot is it doesn't have a home button. So you always have to use the app when you want to go home. Or the remote control which comes with it, and that's really how you're supposed to send it home. But right now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to walk over here and just place it on the dock. So we're going to get the app now, so let's go and grab the app. Alright, so now we're going to do the Tzumi app. So I showed you how the vacuuming works and everything else about it, but now we're going to do the Tzumi app. So first, let's open up the Tzumi app. So now we're going to open up the Tzumi app. Now I have another Ionvac robot. We got it on the channel, the other Ionvac. You guys liked that video, so we figured, why don't we do another one? And this one's also popular in places, so. Now that we are in the app, we can do we can start cleaning. We can stop cleaning. We can tell it to go random. Oh, so we could do random, edge, spiral, or this is the smarter one, I'm guessing. Hang on, we're going to tell it to go somewhere over. Tell it to go right in the middle here. And now we're going to tell it to do circle mode. Alright, we're going to stop it right there. Everybody, that's the classical things in robot. Everybody knows what that is. Most people do. Most people do. So now we can tell it to go edge mode. And you see, it'll go along the edge around your whole room. But if you have a lot of stuff in the corners of your home, you can get that out with this Ionvac. And now we're going to do random. Everything I want to. Alright, so I just realized now the bin's full, so yeah, empty out the bin. It's very easy to go to your trash can, empty out the bin, put the bin back in. That like that, do that, put that in there, and now I'm going to show you how to make schedules and how to do other fun things on your robot. So here's how you can do it. You can go into More, and you can go Schedule, Add Schedule. Say for a time you want, we'll just set the minute after, we'll just click Save, and it should start in 1 minute. So once that minute has been up, the robot will start vacuuming, but we could play Lost Mode. You can change the suction to like regular and all that other stuff, and then you can tell the percentage. In my opinion, it could be better. Yeah. You can have it go to a dock, and it should start in about a minute. Or hang on, did I turn on the schedule? That was my fault. So you can just hold it by deleting it, add 4010, save that, put that back. Now that that's on, and I know that's on, in about a minute it should start. But with robots like these are the cheaper models. These robots are around $50 to maybe $130. These cheaper ones that's how much they're selling for right now. And also, if you're thinking about getting a better robot than just one of these, you can upgrade to one of my iRobot, one of the iRobots. I have a really good i3 Plus. I'll show you guys. So my i3 Plus, a video will be coming on it soon. We do have a video coming on it soon. So, and you should get a Plus, because the Plus is a good model if you want to upgrade from that. But now the schedule just went off, and now we are starting vacuuming. The schedule worked, and that's how it works basically, and it will just start vacuuming at that right time. So now we'll put you guys in time-lapse mode, and we will be back in maybe a couple seconds. And don't run over my tablet, please. Alright, so we need to empty the bin on this robot right now, so, because as you can all see, it's packed full. So, let's empty it. Alright, now that I've emptied the bin, you just slide it right back in. And also, again, I probably told you about this, but it can tell you about, this little sticker can tell you about the troubleshooting of the robot. So like, if the wheel is stuck, if the side brush is stuck, if a fan is stuck, or the filter is clogged, or the robot's roller is stuck. And I'll put a picture up on the screen right now, as you can all see. This is all it says really about it. But it tells you how many beeps it'll tell you. It'll tell you how many beeps, how many of everything it needs. So let's start it back up, and we'll put you guys back into time lapse. So start it. There we go. There we go. Time lapse mode. Alright everybody, now we are going to show you just a tiny bit more about the app. Alright, so the last thing I do want to show you is how you can drive the robot. And it does pick up while you're driving the robot, as you can see. So everybody, that's basically the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing